Welcome to another video. Here is our math challenge for today. We want to find the value of x in this problem, given that 5 to the power of 3x plus 5 to the power of x equals 10. So to solve this, you know that we can write this as 5 to the power of x all raised to the power of 3 plus 5 to the power x. So let's take 10 here. We have minus 10 equals 0. So since this we have 5 to the power x, 5 to the power x, if I let 5 to the power of x to be equals to a, therefore, anywhere I see 5 to the power x here, I'm going to replace it with a. Here we have a to the power of 3 plus a minus 10 equals 0. So here is a cubic equation, so which require to find all the three roots. And to solve that, we know by inspection method, if a equals 2, it satisfies this. By trying to plug in it in this, we have 2 to the power of 3 plus 2 minus 10. 2 to the power of 3 is 8 plus 2 minus 10, and everything equals 0, which means that a equals 2 satisfy this. And if a equals 2 is the solution, we have a minus 2 equals 0, which is the factor. So to obtain the other roots, we are going to have the long division method of polynomial. So to apply that, we have at a equals 2. So we take all these things out, which is a cube plus a minus 10 equals 0. But looking at this is not complete, which means we still need the coefficient of a raised to the power of 2. So to do that, we have a raised to the power of 3 plus, which means it is multiplied by 0, a to the power of 2 plus a minus 10 equals 0. So we apply the synthetic division here. At a equals 2, we are going to take out all the coefficient of this, which is the coefficient of a raised to the power of 3 is 1. For the 2, we have 0. For a, we have 1, and we have the constant value, which is minus 10. So if this comes their way, like we have 1 as 1 here. So when we multiply 1 by 2, we are going to have this as 2, and addition of this is 2. So 2 multiplied by 2, that is also 4, and 1 plus 4 is 5. So 2 multiplied by 5, that is 10, and 10 minus 10 is 0. So as soon as we got 0 at the last part here, then we are going to rewrite this as an equation. But looking at this, we have 3 terms, so and which indicate the quadratic trinomial. So x squared, x, and the constant values. So therefore, we have this as a raised to the power of 2 plus a is going to be coefficient of 2, that is 2a plus 5 equals 0. So here is the other part of the cubic equation above. That is, the complete factorization of this is a minus 2 bracket open bracket x squared plus 2a plus 5 equals 0. So since we have gotten this, then let's try to apply this by solving for the value of a and the value of the two a's. So here we have x squared plus 2a plus 5 equals 0. So with this, we know that we have the coefficient of x squared, which is 1, coefficient of a is 2, and the constant value is 5. So we're going to apply the completing the square method to get this. Here is x squared plus 2a. So by transferring 5 to the other side, we have it as negative 5. So with this, I'm going to divide both sides by 2, and which is 1. Then I raise that one with power of 2, then add it to both sides. Here is x squared plus 2a plus 1 square equals minus 5 plus 1 square. So let's add this and this together. We have a plus 1 all raised to the power of 2, because when we expand this, we are going to get this. Everything equals, so the whole of this is minus 4. So by taking the square root of both sides, we have this as the square root of a plus 1 all square equals plus or minus the root of minus 4. So this cancels and we have a plus 1 equals plus or minus. So when we take the root of this negative 4, we are going to have it as 2i. So by transferring 1 to other side, we have a equals minus 1 plus or minus 2i. So which this is the other roots. But what we need here is we want to get the real root, not the complex root for this. So which means at a equals to this complex root, we are going to reject this solution and we solve for at a equals 2. So and we should record that we have a equals 5 to the power of x, which means we are going to find the value of x, not the value of a. So on getting a equals 2, we have 5 to the power of x equals 2. So to get x here, we introduce the logarithm. So which is, we have logarithm of 5 to the power x equals log 2. So by logarithm law, x comes down. We have x log 5 equals log 2. So and by dividing both sides by log 5, we have x equals log 2 divided by log 5, which we can also rewrite this thing as x equals log of 2 base 5. So which is the solution to this problem. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget the steps I take. Subscribe to this channel and like this video. I will see you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.